Under a state of hypnosis, we're gonna use the subconscious mind to replace stress with peace, and we're gonna use an anchor so that every time we use that anchor, we bring all this emotion and feeling to relieve the stress. A disclaimer: this is not to replace medical treatment. Find a place without interruption. Relax. Lie down. Palms up. Uncross legs and arms. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Relax your muscles. Now I want you to imagine yourself floating on a raft or water if you can swim. Imagine the color of the water, all the details that you want. The place where you are, imagine that place like real. What's the color of the water? Now, I want you to look at the blue sky. You see a very nice fluffy clouds, white fluffy clouds. Look at the sun. The sunshine is beautiful. Feel that warmth from the sun. Feel it on your body, your feet. Imagine that light of the sun cut inside your feet. Relax every muscle. Now that light moves to the ankles, relaxes all the muscles around the ankles. Then it will move to the calves, relaxing again all the muscles in the calves. Then it will go to the knees, relaxing all the muscles around the knees. Then that light will go up to the thighs, relaxing all the muscles in the thighs. Then it will go up to your hips. Imagine that light relaxing every single muscle around. Then it will go up slowly to the stomach, relaxing every muscle in your stomach. Then it will go up your chest. Imagine your muscles are relaxed. Your heart now is relaxed. Every muscle is relaxed. Then it will go up. It will reach your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. The light is going now to your upper arms, relaxing them. Now it will go to your wrist and hand, both hands. All the muscles are relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. Now let that light go to your fingers. Relax all the fingers. Then that light will go again up your back, relaxing all the muscles there. Then your neck, relax all the muscles of the neck. Then up your head, the back of the head now, relaxes all the muscles there. Then to the top of your head, it relaxes all the muscles up Feel the tingling sensation whenever I say relax your muscles. Feel the sensations. Then that light will go to your forehead, relaxing the muscles of the forehead, the eyelids. Relax all the eyelids. Then the jaws, your jaws. The light relaxes the jaws. Now, see yourself. I want you to go into deep relaxation. I want you now to see yourself on top of stairway. 5 stairs with red carpet on those stairs, and there is a handrail to your left side if you wish. Hold it. We're gonna now take the steps down with more relaxation. I want you to relax. Go back now. I will count 5 on the 5th stair, then the 4th step, then take the 3rd step with more relaxed feeling, then the 2nd, and now take the 1st step and step down from that stairway, all relaxed. Now I want you to go to a beautiful relaxation place. Choose a place where you feel happy in that place. A place from your childhood if you wish, or if you can. And I want you to choose a setting there where you were on a beach, forest, field, playground, or even your school, whatever place you want to be, feeling relaxed and feeling there is no stress. You were happy. You didn't even know what is stress at that time. I want you now to put your thumb with your index fingers together as an anchor. Rub them. I want you to imagine this place is your special peaceful place. Take deep breath. I want you to imagine this energy goes inside you. The energy of that place, the peace, the strength goes inside you. And I want you to lock that feeling with your fingers. Rub your fingers. And now I want you to relax your fingers. You locked that nice memory, so I want you anytime to rub those fingers and brings that, locked memory like an image or a photo, to have the relaxation and to feel good with that anchor. It's a stress reliever. Take deep breath and rub it. Try it. Rub your fingers and try those feelings. Now I want to bring you out of the hypnosis session. You're gonna be smiling. I will count up from 0 to 5, slowly with deep breathing. 0, deeper with smiling, relaxed. 1, feel more relaxation, feeling you're calm. Smile. 2, smile more, relax. 3, again smile. 4. I want you now to be alert and open your eyes wide. 5. You are now out of the hypnosis session. The hypnosis distract the subconscious mind, and we are using our subconscious mind to relieve the stress. The stress is important in our life. It helps us, like the fight or flight system. It helps us sometimes, but when it's too much or not in balance, it will start causing diseases, anxiety, and more diseases. So the subconscious mind, actually, our unconscious mind is 88% makes majority of our mind. So we are using that for our benefit. I hope you liked it.